Hello, my name is Soumitra Ghosh. Right now I am going to deliver a speech on the escapism in the English poetry. First of all, we have to know what the escapism is. Escapism means running away from the world of reality, which is full of agony, which is full of pain, anxiety, fear, tension, etc. It is known to all that most of the English poets are escapist. A few examples may be given here in order to prove it. In Ode to a Nightingale, Keats has adopted a number of strategies like oblivion of the alcohol, chariot of the Bacchus and his parts, wings of the poetry, etc. in order to transport himself into the world of the imagination or into the world of the nightingale, which is full of ecstasy, which is full of rapture, and which is devoid of any type of mortal sufferings, mortal pain, agony, tension, anxiety, fear, etc. To a skylark, at first Shelley has greeted the skylark by saying, "Breathy spirit." And then he was enchanted by the musical tune of the skylark. Gradually he has compared the skylark to a poet engrossed in the deep thought, an aristocratic woman singing a song in order to soothe the grief and love-stricken soul. A radiant glow warm in the dew-covered valley, and the rose sheltered by its own leaves. Actually, Shelley also wanted to transport himself into the world of the imagination or into the world of skylark, because the skylark's world is also full of only rapture, only ecstasy. There is a basic difference between the escapism of the Keats and escapism of the Shelley. Keats's imaginative power was not so strong, and that's why he couldn't stay into the imaginative world for a long time, or into the world of the nightingale for a long time. Because reaching into the world of the nightingale, he felt the agony of loneliness, which is more intense than any type of mortal agony, mortal pain. And that's why he was compelled to come back into the world of reality. On the contrary, Shelley's imaginative power is very strong. Shelley was successful in staying into the imaginative world or into the world of the skylark for a long time. Actually, Shelley believed in the iconoclasticism or in the revolutionary ideals. Shelley dreamed of creating a new world which will be devoid of any type of mortal agony, pain, sufferings, etc. and which will be full of ecstasy, and which will be devoid of any type of discrimination, and which will be based on egalitarianism. And that's why I think Shelley was successful in staying into the world of the skylark or in the imaginative world permanently. That's all.